and welcome. Today's video is the unboxing of my paid for premium box from Boxycharm. I also received my Luxe box, so that'll be the next video that I film. So that's what today's video is all about. So before we jump in, real quick, I had to tell you guys, if you guys are curious about what is on my eyes, if you were on the fence about the Natasha Denona Glam Palette, she's pretty. She's pretty perfect, and I love her. Anyways, and by the way, my shirt, it's another cutesy top from Glitzy Girl Boutique. Okay, anyways guys, it's a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone where over here we always embrace the hot mess. So hopefully this is a channel for you. You decide to stick around, subscribe, turn on your notification bell. I don't know why I feel the need to dance. Anyways, don't forget to follow me over on Instagram and on TikTok. There's actually a giveaway going on over on Instagram. Your girl is trying to get the 10K. I'm trying to get the 30K over here, the 10K over there, and whatever I can get over on TikTok. So follow me all over the place, okay? Because I'm this crazy all over. So give your girl a thumbs up if you're still here, because I really appreciate it. Let's get into this box. I'm super excited about it because when it comes to the Boxycharm premium box, this is $35 a month. It is super heavy. I have my male scale sitting over here, so I will be weighing it for you guys. But like I said, this is $35 a month, and you're receiving well over $175 worth of goodies. You do get to customize one of the items in here, and as we know, we had the Marc Jacobs Youthquake. It's sitting here because I use it all the time. The Youthquake as a choice, or the Marc Jacobs Dewdrops was also another choice, and both great choices, but they ended up being add-ons, so I went ahead and went with the Ole Henriksen, and I am super excited because I have no idea what all will be in this box. So jumping right in, this is what it looks like. As we see, there is a card, and I forgot to weigh it. I know you guys are probably like, Rhonda, you're acting crazy. How much caffeine did you have? Y'all, your girl only had one bang. This is just me. Okay, weighing it now, and by the way, it is a very heavy box. It comes to 3 pounds, 3.1 ounces. What the heck could be in here? Okay, we love that. Okay, so like I said, we always get, or typically we get a card in our box. It is a monthly theme. This month's theme is Glam Vibes Only. Now, like I said, I purchased this box. So on the back, we do see a variation code, and it is variation 6. And then, of course, you're going to see all the information about each product as well as the retail value of everything. So let's go ahead and put it over here. Ooh, what is this? So the first item in here is the Glowing Vacation Skin in a Bag Inside Out Coconut Coffee Scrub by Frank Body. Now, I personally have not used the coffee scrub because I heard it's pretty messy, but so is a lot of my exfoliators, so I don't know. But I have heard it is really good. It does have robust coffee, buffs away dry skin, coconut oil, which is an antibacterial to help fight breakouts, grapeseed oil, rich in vitamins to reduce the appearance of scars. Actually, I want to try this. I want to say maybe Haley tried this, and she said it was messy, but she liked it. So a little information on this. It does have a retail value of $18.95. It says, vacation glowing skin right this way, babe. I'm a natural vegan body scrub here to give you a vacation glowy skin all year long with a blend of coffee and essential oils. I'll work my magic on stretch mark, scars, and dry skin to leave you as free as a palm tree. Exfoliate, smooth, and tones for a real and imaginary vacation. Okay, whatever. It sounds amazing. It wouldn't have been my first choice, but like I said, I have heard that these things do work pretty well. Next is the choice item that I started to tell you guys about, and this is the Ole Henriksen Fat Glow Facial. This is instantly exfoliates and illuminates with PHAs and Nordic Birch Syrup. It's a facial mask, and it is full size, 1.7 ounces. Here's an up close. I always get so excited I start like ripping through my box like a crazy person. Here's the up close of the scrub. And the back of this scrub, actually, I'm kind of getting excited about this. Like, that's a good amount. Obviously, you're not going to need that much. Okay, so retail value on the Ole Henriksen is $50. Like I said, this was a choice item, so automatically I knew I was going to be receiving this because I did make the choice myself. Get flawless skin with a flash with PHAs, the no downtime exfoliating acid and key ingredients in Ole's first one-step at-home facial. What makes PHAs so special? They're fat, literally. Like AHAs, PHAs deliver skin-perfecting, age-fighting results. But PHAs are just a little plumper. Ooh, we want plump skin. They're a bit bigger molecules, so they don't go as deep as they loosen up the glue that binds the surface layer of skin together and reveal the newer, fresher skin underneath. That means less irritation and recovery time for everyone, even sensitive skin types. Okay, so that's one thing I have heard about PHAs is they are not as harsh as, what is it, an AHA and a BHA combination type of dealio. So I feel like this is really good if you do have sensitive skin or anything like that. So like I said, I read the reviews and everything, and it had really good reviews at Sephora. So I'm definitely excited to try it out. It will definitely be going down. Okay, next up, of course, everybody apparently got the Louise palette. This is a gorgeous, gorgeous palette. It has 20 pigment, it's a 20 pigment palette in 4 stunning textures, 8 buttery matte, 6 shimmers, 1 pressed pearl, 4 metallics, 1 duochrome topper. And I'm not going to swatch it. I did swatch it in my other unboxing. So therefore I don't want to swatch this. So I'm not going to swatch this one because I'm going to put this in the giveaway. We are super duper close to 30K. So there will be a 30K giveaway coming up very, very soon over here on the channel. So help your girl out. Hit that subscribe button, turn on your notification bell, and that way you'll be notified when the 30K giveaway does go live. And yes, this beauty will be in there. You're gonna love it. Okay, so that was the next item, and it does have a retail value of $46. And I have to read the description on here because it just gives me all the feels in the world. I love it. It's so empowering. It says the Queen palette possesses immersed energy of life, femininity, and strength. Each color tells a story. Each color holds infinite power and carries a unique narrative. Our highly pigmented colors, which are suitable for all ranges of skin tones, are inspired by stories, tales, and legends of kingdoms, taking you through a journey in time from the past to the present, an era of femininity, grace, and power. A queen lies in all of us. Like, if that is not the most perfect description ever, I don't know what is. So anyways, like I said, make sure you are subscribed because the winner will love this if you did not receive this. So, okay. Like I said, retail value is $46. The next item I see in here is by Milk Makeup. This is actually, I believe, yeah, it's the highlighter illuminator that we received. Let's see if I can open this up. It's in the shade Lit. Let me tell you a little information real quick about this. It says it is a retail value of $28. It's a dewy everyday champagne pearl hue cream highlighter stick that glides on for a natural glow. So let's open this up because I actually do not have one of the highlighters by Milk Makeup. I've got a few of the little blushers and I really, really like the formula. So I'm excited to be able to add this to my collection. Now this was just on the FedEx truck. Oh, so I just screwed it up. I should have let it, doggone it, it's melty. I knew better. I legitimately knew better as I sit and rub it all over my skin. Okay, I'm gonna put this back on and see if maybe it'll adhere back together. But I did get a little bit of the color on. I honestly thought it was gonna feel really greasy. It does have a little bit of that emollient feel to it, but it's not like an uncomfortable like petroleum jelly type of feel or anything like that, like Vaseline. It actually like absorbed into my skin. and it gave my skin like a really pretty radiant glow. I don't know if it's showing up, but again, excited to have this in my collection, and I'm hoping that I didn't completely annihilate it. But does anyone else kind of like these little components that Milk puts things in? I feel like it would be so cute to like fill up with candy or something and put into your purse. I'm a hoarder. Welcome to my life. Okay, so the next item, and I did read up that. Okay, so the next item.
Love you.
Okay, love you too. The next item is by Saturday Skin. This is a 10% glycolic pore renewer. Now this is one that I want to say was actually a choice item a few months ago, but again, because Boxycharm keeps tabs on your account on whether or not you've received this item, then they know, and then that way, that's why it's a repeat item that I've seen out there, but not a repeat item for me, if that makes sense, because I've never received it. Again, welcome to my brain. This is full size. Okay, so I love that. I love glycolic acid, lactic acid, salicylic acid. I like me the acids, so that's always good to have. And I actually have a Polish Choice one open right now, so I will set this aside. A little information on this particular item. It is Saturday Skin Pore Clarifying Toner. Again, you guys know I've been struggling back with my adult acne because I love me my Snickers, my Reese's, and my Kit Kats, and my Rolos. So my skin, yes, I don't know why, but that is the one thing that causes my cystic acne to flare like something fierce. So the Pore Clarifying Toner helps to smooth and refine your skin's appearance with effective dose of 10% glycolic acid. The Pore Control Complex targets pore concerns with a blend of ingredients that help improve the look and balance, a balanced skin, clear skin. God help me if I could read. Obviously, I'm in my own head, and that's why I'm stuttering. But it does have a retail value of $30. The next item I see in here now, but this is the ice roller, and it is flippin' amazing. The reason I know about this is because I did receive it in my PR package from Boxycharm in the premium, and I love it. It's an ice roller, y'all. It is amazing. I have it in my skincare fridge. You just roll that puppy over your skin. It helps with lymphatic drainage. It helps with puffiness. I feel like, and maybe it's just me, but I feel like because I have thyroid issues, my face does tend to puff. So I love to just kind of roll it along my jawline. I love it underneath my eyes. Allergy season, these things are amazing. Like I said, it's a stainless steel, so it is cool to the touch right now in the box, which is so weird, but it truly is awesome on the skin. It does have a retail value of $18, and it says it's a new at-home facial made of high quality surgical stainless steel, and it helps to calm inflammation, increase blood circulation, and alleviate sore muscles, tensions, headaches. Recommended for daily use for best results. I love this little gadget, and honestly I was surprised it wasn't worth more than $18 because it is like a heavy, sturdy type of little gadget. So let me go ahead, add everything up for you guys, and let you know what the retail value of everything in this box came to. Okay guys, so like I said, this entire box is $35 plus tax. You do get to choose one item in here, and everything in my box came to a total of $189.95. Now, I love the fact that Hailey kind of put this thought in my head where when we were talking about another subscription service, she's like, okay, this is what I paid for it. Did I get my money's worth? So I thought, you know, that is like a really good way to look at your subscriptions. For example, this one's $35, and I did get to choose my one item, which was the Ole Henriksen, and that alone is $50. So obviously I made my money back. As far as this goes, like I said, I wasn't overly excited about it, but I'm not insanely mad about it either, because it doesn't feel like dry grit coffee scrubs. It literally feels like soft moisturizing, which obviously it has a coconut oil. And again, I know this is something that I already use by another brand, so I'm happy to have a glycolic product in here. And this, again, so overall, is this box that I paid $35, is it worth it? I personally feel like it is worth it. Is it my favorite box I've ever received on the premium? Nah, I wouldn't say it's my favorite, but it has really good products in here, so I'm definitely not mad about it. I definitely 100% feel like I got my $35 worth. You know, it's like I always tell you guys, when it comes to a subscription, I love the fact that we do get to choose an item in here, but you also have to keep an open mind of the other items that are going to be like the filler products for everything else. This is an amazing palette. I really like it, and I will be doing a look over here as well as over on my Instagram, so make sure to follow me for that. Like I said, this additional one, because I did receive some other ones, but I do want to share the love and put it in a giveaway for you guys. But again, I think you guys are really going to enjoy this palette if you don't already have this in your collection. So let me know you guys' thoughts down below. Again, as far as variation 1, this is variation 6, and again, I am happy with everything in here. Gives me the opportunity to try some things out that I haven't tried before, and I have tried Saturday Skin, and I did enjoy, I can't remember what it was an essence, and I did like it. So anyways guys, let me know your thoughts below. Don't forget that Premium Choice opens up for Premium Choice for October on September 17th. So make sure you're subscribed, turn on your notification bell, because I will be letting you guys know when choices go live, so you don't miss out on those choices. I'm not 100% what the choices are just yet, at least the day that I am filming this video for you guys. Also, if you have a base box, your choice is going to open up September 15th. If you are a Luxe and a Premium member, then on September 14th, you can make your base box choice as well as add-ons open up. If you want to join the Boxy family, then definitely make sure to check my description box down below. And there is a link where you guys can sign up for Boxycharm, whether it be the base or the premium box, or get on the wait list, what have you. I'll also pin that in my comment section below for you guys. I do want to let you guys know, if you do decide to sign up using my link, I want to thank you guys in advance. It is an affiliate link, so I will earn a little bit of a commission, but I put it right back into the channel for you guys. By the way, let me know down below, do you want to see a tutorial on, not tutorial, I feel like I'm supposed to teach you guys something. It's more or less just me playing in makeup. But if you guys want to see a video of me using the Natasha Denona Glam palette, let me know down below. Like I said, I will be putting something up over on Instagram as well for you guys. But ooh, you know how much I love my Natasha Denona formula. Anyways guys, your girl is rambling. I will have my shirt linked and down below in the description box as well for you guys. I'll link this too. Everything will be affiliate links, just letting you guys know in advance. So anyways friends, until next time, as always, don't forget to follow me over on Instagram and TikTok. And as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye guys. Woo! I got so much energy. Like, so much energy. We love a good energy day. Thank you, thyroid.